Hey guys, how's it going? More stuff to open, as always. This time it is, I don't know why I'm opening crap and I still got so much stuff laying around that I need to put away. But anyway, 2 boxes of Tops, this stuff. You can see yeah. Dude, where's my junk? Whew. Sorry, my brain is not all there. I'm trying to find out where I put stuff and... Oh, there it is right there, okay. So yeah, I'm going to do 2 boxes of this. Awesome stuff. Come on. There we go. There we go. This is the ones that have the cool things on the front, so we'll just pop those 2 out. So I got Aaron Rodgers on the front of this one, so I'm, that's $1, so I'm only $19 away from getting my money back on this one. Michael Vick on the front. So I'm only $21 away from just joking. Some people like Vic. He's still pretty decent, but he's just not rocking it like he used to. Well, it's not a horseshoe. Well, it's rounded. What is round? Let you guys think about that one while I'm trying to figure it out. It's rounded. Okay. And then the other one. And this one is rounded too. Can't tell, there's something right there in the middle. And then this one here. Neither one of them are the NFL logo patches, I'll tell you that much. Maybe I should get a... Nope. Anyway, never mind. We'll get to those later. Let's do these 2 real quick. We've got Doug Martin on the back and Eric Reed on the back, so it's halfway decent. Alright, so we got Vic, Buffalo Bills, the Texans, and as always, a grip of inserts. 12 Davis, Steve Largent, Matt Ryan, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne, I think I've got already, CJ Spiller, and then Jonathan Banks and Doug Martin. The other one, and my trash can over here. Got Aaron Rodgers, TJ Ward, the Rams, Ronnie Hillman, Dan Marino, Kurt Warner, Tony Romo, Aaron Rodgers, Randall Cobb, Patrick Peterson, Eric Reed, and Santonio Holmes. What up, Holmes? I don't know if you guys noticed this over here. I'm doing that one next. One of those things with 2 cards in it. 2 jersey cards in it. There we go. Calvin Johnson Jr. and Andy Dalton. Then we've got Dunlap, Gresham, Luke, Giovanni Bernard, Monty Ball, Elvis Dumerville. If you guys notice any of the short prints, let me know. I haven't really had a chance to take a look at all the research and pictures and find out which ones are which, so I will eventually do that. But I haven't yet, so. Avonta Leach, Brooks Reed, Jacoby Jones, Moore, Reggie Wayne, Zach Stacy, Bostic, and Escobar. Okay, we got Avonte Perfect, Whedon, Josh Gordon, AJ Hawk, LT, and Marshawn Lynch, Lance Johnson, and Arthur Brown. Alright, we have a mini DeMarco Murray. I think we've already given that into Homeboy there. Cameron Jordan, the Rams, Brett Favre, Mingo, Jones, Kerwin Williams, I've got Andrew Luck, I've got a lot of. Clay Matthews, Jordy Nelson, B.J. Raji. Got a Packers pack here. Green, 1,000-yard. We got Zach Stacy, Mingo, Taylor, and Cliff Averill. Stephen Hill, Wilkerson, Ronnie Hillman, CJ Spiller, Moore, Banks, Sorensen, and Vic Ballard. Okay, Patrick Peterson, Kansas City Chiefs, Randall Cobb, Luck for the 4,000th time, and Yard Club, Collins, Bostic, and Jennings. So far, no golds, no pinks, no camos. Got a Harris, a Spikes, a Randall, RG3 Future Legends, Antonio Holmes, Geno Smith, Eddie Lacy, and Dwayne Allen. Mini Rondé Barber and a Wes Welker Legends in the making, sorry. Chancellor, Carr, Powell, Panthers, Jarius Wright, and Kelsey. Kels is the E silent. Aaron Rodgers, Cromartie, Sherman, Brady 4,000, Demetrius Thomas 1,000, Bengals, Blitty Ray Wilson, and Darius Bootler. So while I'm doing this, you guys watched that Colts game yesterday against the 49ers? And the 49ers are supposed to be tough, but they're not showing it this year. I don't know what the deal is with them. So TJ Ward, Brandon Pettigrew, Croy Bierman, Richard Sherman Future, Andy Dalton diving for the touchdown, Mike Glennon, Keenan Allen, and Dwayne Bowe. Ingram, Peterson, Jenkins, Eli Manning, Timmons, Marcus Wheaton, John Jenkins, and Reggie Bush. Okay. Gold is 1 in 13. BCA is 1 in 63. Military 1 in 63. I guess they are kind of harder to get. I should at least get a gold soon, right? Dressen, Reese, Kerrigan, Irvin. We got a Roger Craig, Brandon Marshall, the Broncos team, and Jordan Reed. Yay, gold. Kenny Britt, Davis, Hartline. Hartline's starting to become a beast nowadays. Smith, Mohamed Sanu, Donegan Sue, 1,000-Yard Club, and Ryan Broyles for the gold. Alright, we have Tillman, LeSure, Iputapati, Burlinson, Giovanni Bernard, Denarius Moore, Gavin Escobar. Okay, so another gold, nice. One from each box, probably. Santonio Holmes, Kerwin Williams, Andrew Luck, J.J. Watt, Noshawn Moreno, Champ Bailey, Aaron Rodgers, Robert Turbin. Nice little turban there. Alright, mini Aaron Rodgers and Deion Sanders. Claiborne, Thomas, McGahee, Panthers, Jonathan Banks, and Vic Ballard. Oh, got a camo. AJ Green. Nice. AJ Green. Lance Moore, 1,000-yard club. We got a 49ers, a Romo, a Witten, Jarius Wright, Sorensen, and a Dwayne Allen. And then 2 more packs here. Casey Hayward, DeMarco Murray. Let's keep flipping these packs. It'd be awesome. Arian Foster, Demarius Thomas. Oh my goodness. Bengals, Dalton, Geno Smith, and Darius Butler. One more regular pack before we get on to the 2 patches. Regular pack is Packers. We'll do it this way. Thomas, Tavares King, Eddie Lacy, Packers, Daniels, Ravens, Jamal Charles, and Maurice Jones, Drew Legends in the making. So, got a nice little stack of minis, a lot of parallels and junk like that. And alright, here we go, guys. Let me see. The one that is small circle, and then this one is a... Could they both be the same team? I don't know. Packers, Clay Matthews, pink. You know what? This is a Packer too. You know what? I don't know. Might be Aaron Rodgers. He might have both of them. Nope, that is a 49er. Okay. Camo. So I got a camo Frank Gore 49ers and a pink Clay Matthews. Do they all look like that? I don't know. I forgot. If they all have that same... hold up. No, okay. So see, the horseshoe would be a little bit different too. So, all right. Well, just I guess next time, future reference. If it's rounded, it's rounded. I mean, doesn't. I don't know. So Clay Matthews, Frank Gore, whole bunch of other stuff, this and that. If you guys see stuff you guys like, let me know, and I'm sure we can make a trade of some sort. And I've got a another box coming up in just a minute for you. All right. Thanks, bye.